Today we're looking at BUR 10 silicone-based plumbing and flanged vent repair. Before we get started, let's always follow OSHA and local safety requirements when working on roofs. Always plan your work in advance. This includes products and tools needed to complete the project. Another consideration is weather. It can impact the installation and proper curing of APOC products. Additional information on weather requirements can be found at apoc.com. Existing problems can be incomplete flashings, cracks, and deterioration. Let's look at a three-course method. To start, always clean the surface. To prevent bleed-through, apply APOC 583 armor base and allow to fully cure prior to completing your repair. Measure a piece of 483 polyester fabric and cut corners as needed to allow wrap to lay flat. For a professional look, mask off the repair area. In windy conditions, you may fold back half the 483 polyester and using a trowel or brush apply APOC 581 Armor Flash to the repair area. Embed 483 polyester into APOC 581 Armor Flash. Cut the 483 polyester to length. Fold back the other section of the 483 polyester and apply APOC 581 Armor Flash to the substrate. Embed 483 polyester into APOC 581 Armor Flash. Cut a 4" by 4" square corner piece of 483 polyester fabric with a slit as shown and embed into the APOC 581 Armor Flash. Apply a top coat of APOC 581 Armor Flash. Repeat this process for the remaining sides. Remove the masking tape. Now your APOC BUR 10 silicone-based vent repair detail is complete. For additional information on energy efficiency, maintenance coatings, liquid applied roofing, visit us at apoc.com.